Hey innovators, before I dive into the future, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and join our tech family. We're on a journey to explore the most cutting-edge advancements in technology, and you don't want to miss out. If you love AI, robotics, and next-gen tech, this channel is your ultimate guide. We delve into the latest innovations, breaking them down so you can understand and appreciate the future that's unfolding before us. Drop your video requests in the comments. I'll create them. New videos drop weekly, ensuring you're always up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Let's get started. Welcome to 2025. Cities are now powered by AI. Imagine walking through a city where every element is optimized for efficiency and sustainability. Flying electric cars dominate the skies, reducing traffic and pollution. These vehicles are not just a mode of transport but a symbol of how far we've come in integrating technology into our daily lives. Autonomous navigation ensures safety, while passengers relax or work seamlessly. Imagine a world where your car is not just a vehicle but a mobile office or a personal relaxation space. Tech is now an extension of us. It's embedded in every aspect of our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. Smartphones and laptops process data at lightning speeds, powered by quantum-inspired chips. These devices are not just tools but powerful extensions of our minds, enabling us to achieve more than ever before. AI assistants handle tasks before you even ask. They learn from your habits and preferences, making your life smoother and more convenient. Robots are no longer sci-fi. They're integrated into our daily routines, making our lives easier and more efficient. They're our co-workers, caregivers, and companions. These robots are designed to assist us in various tasks, from professional work to personal care, enhancing our quality of life. From healthcare to your kitchen, AI-driven bots handle complex tasks with superhuman accuracy. They're revolutionizing industries and transforming our homes into smart living spaces. Mobility is redefined. The way we move around has changed dramatically thanks to advancements in autonomous technology. Cars drive themselves, blending safety and productivity. This shift not only enhances our travel experience but also opens up new possibilities for how we use our time. Your commute becomes your office or cinema. Imagine catching up on work or enjoying a movie while your car takes you to your destination. If this future excites you, subscribe to IT Tutorials Tips Pro. We're here to guide you through the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Want me to explore a specific tech topic? Comment below, I'll make it happen. Your feedback and suggestions are invaluable in shaping the content we create. Like, share, and stay tuned. New videos drop every week. Together, we'll navigate the future of technology and innovation. Together, let's master the future. The world of 2025 is just the beginning. Stay with us as we continue to explore and uncover the wonders of tomorrow.